Chromolaena odorata. It is also called the Christmas bush flower and also called devil weeds. It is actually it is belongs to Asteraceae family member. It is originated from America, from the Florida and Texas in the United States, south through the Mexican and the Caribbean regions. The plant is like a herb. It is strong woody sometimes. Chromolaena is introduced in tropical Asia and West Africa, especially for the. In some cases, accidentally, it is introduced to those countries with the forest seeds. The leaves are opposite triangle to the eclipse with the serrate edge. The flowers are white to pale pink tubular flowers in the paniculate flowers from the branch of the nth. The leaf the plants contain generally used as spiritual purpose, and sometimes it is used for the toxicity cattle killing agents also present, and especially the plants have a aromatic compound in leaves, so that the plant compounds are the larvicides, especially in the mosquito vectors, so that the aromatic plants are replace the mosquitoes, so that we can use further as a mosquito formulation purpose in this plant's leaves phytochemicals, so that the chemical constitution we can see alkaloids and tannins, flavonoids, saponins and terpenoids are present in this plant's leaves, so that the plants are used in Vietnam for the skincare purpose and diabetic purpose, burning of wounds and soft tissue of wounds, caring purpose, so that especially it is used in Vietnam, about those medicinal properties in these plants, so that the plant is especially the flowers are we can identification characters, and leaves also identification how we can identify these plants, and especially the plant flowering at the end of the branches, so that characters the flower the indication of the like a Christmas asters, so that Asteraceae family is special character, so that we can find in this plants Chromolaena odorata, so that more information in this regarding these plants. So please subscribe my channel and details of more videos in coming future.